Graff Diamonds Hallucination $55 million. The Graff Diamonds Hallucination holds the title as the most expensive watch in the world 2025, with an unmatched value of $55 million. Adorned with over 110 carats of rare, vibrant diamonds in various hues, this world's most expensive wristwatch merges haute jewelry with precision timekeeping. The platinum bracelet elevates its elegance, making it not just the most expensive wristwatch in the world, but also one of the most extravagant creations ever made. It epitomizes the concept of really expensive watches, becoming the ultimate icon for those wondering, what is the most expensive watch in the world?